I'm showing you how to enable or disable the double tap feature to control your screen on Android. Grab your phone and open the Settings app to get started. You'll want to scroll down until you see Advanced Features. Tap on that. Then look for the menu labeled Motions and Gestures. Once you're inside, you will see two specific toggles, one for double tap to turn on screen and another for double tap to turn off screen. Go ahead and toggle both of those to the on position. Now, keep in mind that this goes both ways. While it makes it incredibly fast to check your notifications without picking up the phone, the trade-off is that it can lead to accidental screen activations in your pocket, which might drain your battery slightly faster over time. If you find your screen turning on when you don't want it to, you'll need to come back here and toggle these off. To test it, go back to your home screen. Find an empty space where there are no app icons and double tap quickly. Your screen will instantly lock. Double tap the black glass again and it wakes right back up. On some specific Android models, the path is slightly different. In my case, if you don't see Advanced Features, look for Special Function instead. From there, you will find Actions and Gestures, where the setting is often called Tapping Wake. The important thing is to make sure you are tapping a blank area of the wallpaper. If you tap an icon by mistake, the phone will just open that app instead of locking. If you followed these steps and the screen isn't reacting, double-check that you haven't toggled on a power-saving mode that restricts background gestures. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.